Hi guys, my name's Ellie, welcome to my channel, and today... Well, we're just gonna go with it. I had actually had this closed with the brush partially knit, so I picked it up through the brush. This, in all its reflecty glory, is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dream Glow Kit. And I have put it on my face, so we're gonna put that in right here. Okay, so I got you guys a little closer to try and see it. So I'm using the Sephora Pro Highlighter 98, and today I want to... I feel like my makeup today would go well with unicorn, so we're going to try that on my face and see how the application is. They said that this would be the closest to the Nicole Guerrero formula, so we'll see what happens. Should be on my brush, and I don't know if it's the lighting. This is not super bright, and the Nicole Guerrero is super bright right away. Oh, there it is. I don't know if you guys can see it. And then, I'll be interesting. I'll try Ethereal on the other side. See if anybody notices that my highlights do not match. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see it. It's a lot sheerer than I was expecting, so let's see how this works. I'll see you guys in a little bit. So, I don't know how well you guys can see the reflect. It's kind of soft. So yeah, that's Unicorn and Ethereal. I'm just gonna swatch them out on each hand because I only have so much space. So I'm going to do Wish, Unicorn, and Magic. So those look really pretty and opaque. I wonder what the deal is to get them like that. But we'll just keep playing. So that is Ethereal, Sunshine, and Regal. Oh, I'm not good at this hand. Oh, I like that. That's a good choice. So, as you can see, some of the tones are quite similar, which is part of the reason I wasn't that worried about wearing Unicorn and Wish. It's not like wearing like a pink and a green. It's like a purpley pink and a pinky purple. So these are the colors in the pans. As you can see, they also look kind of similar in tone across them. I don't know why I had the intense urge to get this. That's just me sometimes. So I am also kind of collecting Anastasia Beverly Hills glow kits. I don't have the older ones because I don't have them because they were before I got into makeup, but just kind of looking at the color swatches, I do think she did a good job of eliminating the base. That was something she'd talked about wanting, is not having like that white chalky base that made the colors pop. So I do feel like these are decently translucent. This one, Regal, which is the one I was the most worried about, I think I can still wear. And I think having it be more of just a sheerer base with the color reflect on it, which I really hope you can see it. I can see it a little bit. I think it makes it a bit more versatile for multiple skin tones. So that is my expectation of that, is that this is something that more skin tones can wear as opposed to being something that's either geared towards light skin or medium skin or dark skin. You can all enjoy it, but we'll just see. So I'm going to wear these today. I'm going to check in over the next week or so and wear each of the colors and kind of show you how they are on the skin. I don't know if you can tell. It is a bit more glittery as opposed to like a sheer like smooth base, but I don't care. I like glitter. I don't mind the fact that my face has texture. It's skin. It's not gonna be magically smooth. That's Photoshop. Or you're a unicorn and you're the only person with perfect magical skin. So I don't mind that. She did talk about it being Norvina and Anastasia Beverly Hills. They did talk about this being closer to the Nicole Guerrero formula, which was kind of denser and glitterier, which again, I don't mind. I have the Nicole Guerrero. The only problem I have with the Nicole Guerrero is that some of them are just like a touch dark for me, and I have to mix them to make them not be like a streak. But yeah, and even in the original, like, I'm panning the Moonchild right now, and those do have some glitter in them. It's not as glittery as these shades, but there is some glitter in it. So, I will wear the rest of the shades, I will check in, and we will see how I feel about it at the end of a week or so. So I used Magic today, which is kind of confusing me, because it looked really green in the pan, like green, and then it's very pink, so it's pretty, but I'm confused, so I don't know how that works. But it is quite nice. My hair would get out of the way. It's pretty. It's glittery. It's not what the pan looked like, though. It's a bit overcast, but I hope you can tell. I'm wearing Regal today, and it is quite nice. It's peachier than the camera is showing. It's cute. Okay, so I put sunshine on my face today, and I don't know why it looks so pink. Like, does it look pink to you guys? Because in the pan it looks yellow, and I was really excited for a yellow to go with the whole thing we're doing today. But it just kind of came out pink to me. I don't know why, but most of them are feeling pink. So today I'm wearing Wish, which is a lot more aggressive in person. I swear that the camera makes stuff look so much more subtle. But yeah, it's nice, but again, it's a lot more neutral than I was expecting out of this palette. So that means I've now worn all the colors on my face, so let's see how I feel about the palette as a whole. Okay, we're back. Disregard this eye, it's watering for no reason. And we have light today, so I have to film because we didn't have good light yesterday. Yeah, so I have now worn all the colors in here. It took me about a week. I've got some good opinions, I feel, and you've seen them all on my face. So let's just give another quick look at the colors in the pans and see how different they look in the pan and how they all kind of looked pink on my face. So the more I've been looking at it, the more I've noticed that they all seem to have kind of like a base pigment and then like a pink glitter. And I think the pink glitter is the one that really shows up. Like if I build it up, I can start seeing the color underneath, but you have to really build it. And I understand that pink glitter is one of the more flattering things. Like a pink tone is generally more flattering than the green and the yellow and all the other tones in here. But if you just wanted a pink glitter highlighter, you should have just bought one. I don't see as much of a use for this palette as I thought I was going to. I thought it was going to have a bigger variety of tones, and they really just kind of shift slightly between pink, pinky purple, purpley pink. Even the green one, which I was excited for. I love my green highlighter from Moonchild. I love the green and yellow one from Aurora. Like, they're pretty. I like green tones. I'm actually wearing, I don't know if you guys can tell. No. Lighting's not quite nice enough for you to see my highlight, but I really think it complements a lot of things, and I was excited for like a mint green glitter highlight because I like glitter. Most people don't. I know it's a pretty big common complaint that there's too much glitter in a highlighter. So if you don't like glitter in your highlighters, don't get this palette. That's what you're gonna get, is you're gonna get pink glitter. So that's for you. If you hate glitter, if you don't like texture, if you really like the shimmery metallic with like not even a touch of glitter, this isn't for you. You don't want it, you can just pass it, it'll be fine, you won't even miss it. But if you wanted some glitter, if you wanted to start experimenting with textures and more formula options in your highlighter between just like shimmer, shimmer, brighter shimmer, subtler shimmer. Like, if you wanted to start with texture, if you wanted to try out some of this glitter, I would have normally suggested this, but the fact that they're all so similar in tone and that you really get the same effect, you might as well just go grab one glitter highlighter in pink. So, I am not sending it back because I do like pink glitter. But yeah, I would not necessarily suggest this. I would really say go swatch it in store, touch it, play with it, see if it's a texture that you like, and then take a good hard look at your collection before you buy it. If you have something that even starts to touch on these tones, like if you have the Moonchild kit, you probably don't need these because the Moonchild Glow Kit has a pink highlighter that does have glitter in it. The Moonchild highlighters do have some glitter in them, which I like. I don't mind that. But it means you don't need this as much. I was hoping to kind of like replace it with Unicorn, because Unicorn looks like a nice pink. And I just have a lot of pink to replace it with, because I'm panning my Moonchild, so Pink Heart's about to be dead. So yeah, I'm a little disappointed in the fact that the tones don't vary that much. If you're putting 6 different ones in there, they should be different. They should offer different things. They really should. I know highlighting, it's all a lightning reflective type thing, but they can reflect different colors. You have a yellow. You have a sunshine yellow shade, and it shows up pink. You have a gorgeous minty green called Magic, and it shows up pink. This one is the closest to being a different tone. Regal showed up more of a peachy pink, but like almost all the rest of them look pink. Pink, pink, pink. So, I sound more frustrated than I am. I like glitter, I like pink. I'm gonna be fine using this, but I feel like it could have been a single or a duo. Or you could have said, you know what? Pink Heart's our most popular shade in Moonchild, so we made a pink one to go with it. You've got light pink, you've got medium pink, you've got hot pink, you've got cool pink, you've got purpley pink. Done. And just commit to saying that that's what the palette is. Cool, it's a pink palette. Done. But if you do something like this and it ends up looking like you're trying to trick people with the tones, because I made looks around them assuming that because I swatched them and like that looks green, but if you really, but you spread it out over your hand, it's pink. Sunshine. Actually, I'll do that on the other hand. In a really concentrated swatch, yes, it's yellow, but then as soon as you blend it out over your skin, it's pink. I hope you can see that. And if you're looking at them side by side, do they look different enough? Not really. Not to justify having a whole palette for all of it. So, I have feelings. And they're not the happiest feelings, but I am still keeping it. I feel like I'm getting more frustrated the further into this I get, because this could have been so much better. And the choice to use pink glitter throughout is fine. If you wanted to have something that tied everything together, fine. But you have to make it so the base shade shows up as well, because, like, can you find any, like, there's a slight touch of yellow if you look really hard about my skin tone. I don't think you can find much green in that one at all. People aren't going to build these up to full streak opacity on their face. So when you're testing your product and you're seeing that, okay, it looks like the pink glitter's the one that's showing up the strongest, maybe we need to change what the glitter add-in is. Maybe we need to either commit to that and make it a single, where it's just one pink glittery shade, or work on it. And I think they didn't. I don't know what exactly they were going for beyond, I know they were working on basically modifying the Nicole Guerrero formula, and she wanted to have a clear base. Like, not have like that white cast that some things have on deeper skin tones when you're highlighting with them. Which I don't think it has a white cast but I'm guessing you'd get more of the mint or more of the yellow on a deeper skin tone because it is kind of disappearing to mine. So, I have to leave before I just keep ranting. So, that's just, it's all pink. So if you want pink glitter and you're willing to spend that kind of money, go for it. If you don't like glitter highlights, I wouldn't suggest it. If you were hoping to get a diversity of colors in it, I wouldn't suggest it. I would really do some research. If you can find it, swatch it. If you can find it to play with, blend it out as well. Like find somewhere with a brush applicator option, or play with a friend who has it and try it out, because this is a monetary commitment. It's a lot of product that I now have to use. Yeah. Yeah, at least it says complementing shades can be layered together. They're all pretty complementary because they're all some shade of pink. Okay, I have to go. I'm being cranky and sassy, and I am keeping the product because I personally like pink glitter. I think you guys should really give it a more critical look if you're considering picking it up. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this wasn't too much of a downer. I'll see you guys next time.